Hey guys, so today's Saturday and we're on our way to the St. Patrick's Parade, and I'm here with my love, and I'll see you guys in a little bit once we get there. Hey guys, so we're here eating pizza. We had to eat in our car because it started raining outside. And as soon as it started raining, well, sprinkling, that's when they decided to give us our pizza. Hey guys, so we got back from the parade about almost 2 hours ago now, and we left pretty early because it started to rain, which sucked. So yeah, that ruined everything. And now we're at home, and I decided to start taking some outfit pictures for Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So today is my boyfriend's little sister's baby shower. So we're at the bakery picking up her cake, and then we're gonna go ahead and head out that way. But before we came here, we did stop at the Apple store because I was in need of a new computer. Well, a new laptop. So we ended up buying the laptop, MacBook Pro. Let me show you guys really quick. It's actually back here. It's this big old thing. And I don't know, you guys, like, I have a desktop and I have the MacBook Pro, but I've been having that MacBook Pro for a long time. I got it like in 2009, so it's over like 8 years. And it just like pretty much gave up on me. It was just running really slow. So I tried to go get it fixed, and I was told that I needed to get a new computer. So I ended up getting a new computer, and this is the one that I got. Let me put this right here so I won't drop you guys. Hold on. Set it all up. Right there. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Okay. So I guess this is gonna be like a little unboxing. Well, not really, because I'm not gonna open it yet. But I just kind of want to show you guys the outside looks like. I'm sure you guys know what the outside looks like, but this is it right here. And it is the MacBook Pro 15-inch, and we got it with how many? I don't know. Oh, 250 gigs. So we got it for with like the medium size of memory, I guess. We told them what we wanted it for, and basically to of course, you know, for editing videos and also to make music, because my boyfriend, he loves to make music. So we needed something that was like pretty like fast and can hold a lot of memory. So we got this, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with it. So yeah, and this is the one with like the touch bar too. Yeah. So we bought it, and I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to, like, again, you know, mess with it and whatnot. But that's not gonna be until later on, because like I said, after this we're gonna go ahead over to his little sister's baby shower, and you know, of course, be over there for a bit and then go home. And I'll pretty much unbox it at home, because I don't want to unbox it right now. I'm at home, so yeah. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. It's been long overdue, you guys. We've been, you know, I've been pretty much putting it off for a while, because these things are expensive. I mean, they're not like the most affordable things. Put this back here. Yeah, so like I was saying, they're not pretty. Let me zoom you guys in, because there we go. So I'm just, you know, put this like as a, just relaxing, you know, chit-chatting with you guys. But yeah, those things are not expensive. I mean, no, they are expensive. They're not inexpensive. They're pretty, you know, you definitely have to invest in good quality, and that's what we're trying to do. So so yeah, we got that. That's out of the way. What else? So what are you guys up to this Saturday? I hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful day out. If you're here in Dallas area, it's such a gorgeous day out. So yeah, because lately, you know, the weather, I feel like I talk about the weather in my videos a lot, and it is like, it's just like, I just want it to be already hot, like not too hot, because it does get extremely hot here in Texas, but just the right temperature, like, you know, 75 or 70, 75. That's a good temperature. But today it says that it's 86 degrees, which it's not too bad. It feels pretty good out. So yeah, my boyfriend is coming. He has a large cake for the baby shower. Kind of excited to see what it looks like. Curious. Okay, I'm gonna have to talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we got the cake. Say hi, babe.
It's popping bloods. Some blood in it.
Yeah, we got the cake. It's in the bag. It's super big, but I'll show you guys later on once we get to his mom's house. So we're trying to get the perfect selfie.
Yes, it's so hard.
It is so hard. So now we're gonna take some pictures by the tree, some outfit pictures. Yeah. And look at my sister-in-law and her friend. They're copying us.
They're trying to take pictures.
Yeah, look at this. Ah, look at this. Look at these shitty diapers, guys.
Don't worry, they're just chocolate.
Yeah. They're just chocolate.
I got this game idea online, and it was like it's like shit, but like it's not really shit. It's just chocolate, and you just melt them, and like that's it.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah.